Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change our Instagram username in just few simple steps. So if you want to change username on your Instagram account because you are rebranding, you're tired of your current username or some other reasons, let's change it. First of all, open the Instagram application on our device and keep in mind that the process is absolutely the same on both iPhone and Android devices. So if you are using your Android device, you can follow these steps also. So if you are using an iPhone device, you can follow these steps as well. Now make sure you are logged into your account on which you want to change the Instagram username. Then go to your Instagram profile by tapping on this profile picture in the bottom right corner. So I want to change my username, which is this Ferrera007. All I have to do in order to change it is to tap on this edit profile option, and this profile editor will open where we will be able to change our profile picture, our Instagram name, and you can see this second option, username. Just simply tap on it. Now you can simply delete your previous one and then add the new one. I'm going for this 07, and as you can see, this username is available. So simply tap on this check icon in the top right corner, and now your username will be changed on Instagram. And now as you can see, my username has been changed. Before it was 007 and now it's 07. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.